At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a hijab business can be an exciting venture that allows you to combine your passion for fashion with cultural significance. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand your target market. Who are your potential customers? What are their preferences, needs, and shopping habits? Also, research your competitors to identify gaps in the market that you can fill. 2. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target audience, products, marketing strategy, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will serve as a roadmap for your hijab business. 3. Choose a niche. Decide what type of hijabs you want to offer. Will you focus on traditional styles, modern designs, luxury hijabs, or budget-friendly options? Consider factors such as fabric, size, and embellishments. 4. Source suppliers. Find reliable suppliers or manufacturers for your hijabs. Look for suppliers who offer high-quality fabrics and can accommodate your design requirements. You may also consider partnering with ethical suppliers who prioritize fair labor practices. 5. Design your hijabs. Develop your hijab designs or collaborate with designers to create unique and appealing products. Ensure that your designs cater to the preferences of your target market while also reflecting your brand identity. 6. Set up your business. Register your hijab business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Choose a memorable and meaningful name for your brand and establish your online presence through a website and social media profiles. 7. Market your brand. Use various marketing channels to promote your hijab business. Utilize social media platforms, influencer partnerships, fashion events, and online advertising to increase brand awareness and attract customers. 8. Provide excellent customer service. Build strong relationships with your customers by providing excellent service. Respond promptly to inquiries, address any concerns or issues, and strive to exceed customer expectations. 9. Manage your finances. Keep track of your business finances diligently. Monitor your expenses, sales, and cash flow to ensure financial stability and profitability. Consider investing in accounting software to streamline your financial management processes. 10. Stay updated and adapt. Stay informed about the latest trends, customer preferences, and industry developments in the hijab market. Continuously innovate your product offerings and marketing strategies to stay competitive and relevant. Starting a hijab business requires dedication, creativity, and strategic planning. But with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and successful venture. Good luck. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.